Yo, what's good everybody? It's us for Kicks here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Jordan 5 A Ma Maniére Jordan. Let's go ahead and check them out. Alright guys, so this pair comes from Pick Pop. They were nice enough to include this little paper with their information. I'm going to go ahead and put more information here on the screen. Go ahead and check them out. Make sure you use my discount code because especially right now in the holiday times, every little bit counts. First things first, we have the box. Now, from this far, it is kind of hard to see. It is just a navy blue box. But when you get a little closer, you can see the A Ma Maniére logo all over it. And then you can also have the Jordan logo right there. Opening up the box, on the top of the lid, the back side, you have a model right here wearing the Jordan 5 A Ma Maniére Jordan with the logo right there stamped across in black and white polka dots all over. The actual tissue paper, like a lot of the past releases from A Ma Maniére, have their little A logo there. The shoes do come with the lace locks. I'm not a big fan of them, so I don't use them, so I took them right off. These ones come apart. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that. As far as lace options, we do have a nice clean white. And then my favorite, they have a nice cream. I would have liked to see a nice navy blue to kind of match some of the details, but that's going to have to be an after purchase. Getting into the actual shoes, starting off towards the ankle collar, you'll notice you don't have that big bubble like a lot of the Jordan 5s have. Personally, I think Jordan 5s are bulky, so them cutting that out like Virgil did on his off-white 5s is a nice touch in my opinion. Now, everybody first thought these were going to have white uppers. It's actually a nice light gray nubuck, very soft to the touch. You have the gray hits right here towards the laces. You have the embroidered 23. Obviously, that's Jordan's iconic Chicago Bulls number the first time around in a navy blue and black. You have the very nice yellowed cage. Personally, I'm a big fan of this. It's a really cool detail because from afar, it just looks like a cage normally. And then up close, you can see it is the A Ma Maniére logo all over it. Midsole, you can see it's black, a little clear air bubble right there. The shark's teeth right here is a nice navy blue. This is what I was talking about earlier. Laces to match this would really hit in my opinion. Outsole, we're met with a yellowed bottom right here, then black with Nike, and then more yellowed here with the Jumpman logo right there. Coming over to the toe box, just like the rest of the uppers, you have that nice, soft, light gray nubuck. Laces by default are gray to match the uppers. You can see the tongue itself is also the A Ma Maniére logo, just like the side cage. Again, I think that's a really dope detail. The tongue is a nice metallic gray color with the A Ma Maniére logo right there in black. And yes, it is 3M, I did check. Coming over to the inside of the shoe, another really dope detail in my opinion. The inside collar and the back of the tongue is lined with the A Ma Maniére logo once again, right there in that navy blue all over. You can see the insole is navy blue as well. It says Nike Air and the swoosh. And again, I did say even the back of the tongue is that same A Ma Maniére logo all over, and then it says A Ma Maniére back there instead of Jordan. Coming over to the back side, you have the little cut right there. Once again, this is a little different than a normal 5 silhouette. You have the Nike Air and swoosh embroidered right there in a navy blue. Medial side, you still have the nice, soft, light gray nubuck all over. You still have the yellowed cage right there that has the A Ma Maniére logo printed all over it. Checking out the right shoe, pretty much everything is the same from the cage and all the details. The only thing that they really changed was the tongue has the Jumpman logo right there instead of A Ma Maniére logo. And the inside right here, instead of, like I showed you, the other one says A Ma Maniére, this one has the Michael Jordan signature. Alright guys, so this is one of 2 colorways the A Ma Maniére and Jordan brand did on the Jordan 5 silhouette. Now this is the Dawn colorway, the lighter version. The Dusk colorway is the darker, the black, and I want to say it's like it's that, you know, that maroon, burgundy, red that A Ma Maniére is very known to do. Now,
5s are not that popular of a silhouette, not near as close to the 1s, the 3s, and the 4s that you see pretty much on a daily basis and retroing all of the time. Now, 5s are a pretty bulky silhouette. They definitely took their time and took out some details like the padding, so it's not as thick and it's a little slim as far as the shape than a normal 5. Now, I have some 5s in my collection. My favorite pair would be my off-white 5s. Those are also slimmed down. They don't have the bulky piece right here. I have the fire reds. I want to say they're from 2013. They bit the dust not too long ago. They started separating and cracking on me, the outsole, so those are done, but they were perfectly yellowed just to perfection, and I love that about these. The nice details for the A Ma Maniére branding right there on the cage. It's kind of hard to pick up on the camera. The yellowing on the outsole, the A Ma Maniére branding there, even on the tongue, just the Nike Air hit on the back. Everything about these, I just knew I needed to have them as soon as they released the first pictures and the first shots, probably from Private Selection or one of those people. These I thought were going to be white at first, and they actually turned out to be kind of like a light gray nubuck, but I'm not mad about it. It's a nice little variation and switch up, and I'm super stoked to have these in my collection, and I'm really stoked to get in the dusk pair because those will probably show stains a little less, but they're also a dope colorway. Alright guys, I think that's it for me today. Just like always, I really appreciate you coming to the channel and hanging out for a bit. Till next time, I'm Justin for Kicks. Peace.